Hey my penguins, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you all this warm toned glittery cut crease eye makeup which looks really gorgeous, and you can easily get this look just by following few steps. So if you are really liking this look and you wanna know how to achieve this, then please keep on watching. So I already did my brows and also applied a sellotape just at the end of my eyes, and now using a concealer I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid as my eyeshadow primer. And with the help of a concealer blending brush I'm gonna blend the concealer really well. So for today's eye look, I am using the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and from that palette I first took the chocolatey brown shade and I'm gonna stamp the color just directly on my crease using a tapping motion, and I'm gonna build up my crease first and then I will blend it out. So just tapping the color little by little and building up the intensity till I'm happy with it. Now taking this orange shade on a fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna blend out the edges really well. So using small circular motion, I'm gonna first blend out the edges little by little, not going heavy board with the color, cause you have to be very careful while blending the edges. You don't want to lose the intensity of the chocolate eyeshadow that we applied earlier. So just taking the orange eyeshadow little by little and using small circular motion, I'm blending out the harsh lines. Now applying the chocolate shade again, cause with all those blending we lose some of its intensity, so I'm gonna reapply it a little bit. Blending the color again, making sure there are no harsh lines and the colors are well blended into each other. So this is how it looks after blending it really well. Now it's time to cut the crease, and for that here I have taken a small synthetic eyeshadow brush, and with the help of the same concealer I'm gonna carve out the edges of my eyes. And first I'm gonna apply the concealer little by little, then I'm gonna drag the color and I'm gonna create a small flick at the end of my eyebrows, and then using this small detailer brush I'm gonna further carve out the edges so that the cut crease looks really sharp and precise. By the way, I'm not that good at cutting the crease, so it's not perfect as it should be. Now applying the same brown shade at the end of my eyes, adding some depth and definition over there. So now I'm applying the same orange shade which I used on my crease, and here I am blending it out really well with the brown color so that there are no line of demarcation between these two colors. And I'm just flicking the brush little by little and blending the edges really well so that the colors look really diffused. Now taking a white bony shade from the same palette, and with the help of a detailer brush I am applying it on the first half of my eyelid, and it will help in brightening up the overall eye makeup, and the inner corners of my eyes will gonna look really bright. Now just blending the edges for the last time, making sure that there are no harsh lines and the colors are well blended into each other. Now comes the fun part, the glitter liner, and for that I'm using the Miss Claire glitter eyeliner, and here I'm just following the natural curve of my eye and just applying a thin line of glitter eyeliner. Now to add some color on my lower lash line, I'm using the same chocolatey brown shade really close to my lash line and using an angled brush to apply the color. Now to blend out the brown shade, I'm using the same orange color and blending it out really well. Now to add some more glitter and glam, I am applying the same glitter liner just along the edge of the wing, which I created with the help of the sellotape. Now just applying some golden highlighter in my tear duct area to brighten up my eyes a little bit more, and I'm gonna also use the same shade to highlight my brow bone. Now to add some smokiness on my upper lash line, I'm applying the same brown shade just along my lash line, and I'm gonna further blend it out, giving a more smoky effect. So I'm just blending out the brown eyeshadow using the same orange shade. Now to complete the whole eye look, I'm just curling up my lashes and I'm gonna apply one coat of mascara both on my upper and lower lashes because I'm gonna use falsies today. So I just popped on some falsies off the camera, and here how my eyes look. Now to open up my eyes a little bit more, I'm applying a nude eye pencil just along my lower lash line. So this is the finished look. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. I really liked creating this look because it's nothing too much dramatic, but at the same time it's really elegant and classy and looks really refreshing. So I hope you really like this video. So if you really like it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Till then, see you in my next video, girlies. Stay happy, stay safe.